Hi, in this video, we're going to address in question number 5. What is the average spending by day? Okay, so what we're going to do here is let's go back to the data set. So when we look at the data, so we have the column F, which is the spending. We have column B, that is about date, right? So what the question tried to ask, so for instance, so on average, Monday, how much money people spend? On average, Wednesday, how much money people spend, right? So without computer, you might need to find all the Mondays and adding all the value together and then calculate average. And then the same for the Wednesday, for the Tuesday. However, we have Excel. Therefore, we want to learn how can we creating this visualization allow us to get that value very quickly. So when you see the question, as you can see, actually, this is related to the value of the two variables, right? One is the spending, the other is days. So this is the immediate alert to let you know what, I need to use pivot table method, okay, pivot table method. So let's do it together. Okay, so first of all, in order to use pivot table, as I mentioned, we will select all the column we have. It's just for the sake of convenience. So we select everything we have. So after we did that, and then we click Insert, Pivot Table. And then, like I said, I like to use New Worksheet. So just use New Worksheet. Okay. So like I said, the key here is we want to know for every day and then on average how people spend. So basically for each category we are looking at is the day. And then the value for the day, we want to look at the measurement of the day is by the average spendings. Okay, so it's a bit tricky. So to answer that question, first of all, we need to creating our categories. So that's our days, right? So we are select the day and we drag down to rows. So now we are able to see 7 different days among the week, right? So now the tricky part here is, so instead of creating the frequency, we drag the days again. So the question is related to the spending. So therefore, under the value section here, instead of select day, we should select amount spending. Okay, perfect. So what we're seeing here is a sum of the amount spending. So basically, amount is 50 customers. So we notice that the Sunday, the total spend is 218. Monday spend is 813. But the question here is to ask total spending. We are looking for the average spending, okay? So we can just do one adjustment. So all the number here will change to average instead of what we are seeing here is the sum, right? So what we need to do is choose one of the value here and right click the mouse. Oops. Right click the mouse. And we're going down to summarize value by average. As you can see, all the number value changed. Let me just keep 2 decimal places, just make it easy to read. Okay, so now on this table, as you can see, the name of the column is called average of the amount spent. So it's telling us Sunday on average how much people spend, Monday how much people spend. As you notice that the Monday are the ones spend the most money. So Monday, the customers spend on average $90. And then the same like the Sunday is the ones people spend the least. So this on average, Sunday people spend $43. Okay, so this is how to leveraging the pivot table method to allow you to not only just see counting the frequency, but also allow you to see the relationship between one variable with the average of the other variables. Okay, so this is the end of this video. So now you can use based on this table to answer question number 5. What is the average spending by day?